Forged from a city, built on industry, innovation, and the true spirit of engineering. Powered by people with the vision to transform. High-integrity, specialized fastening solutions. Precision is in every detail. Reliability and durability ingrained. Strength in every structure. A commitment to exceed the most stringent industry standards. West Special Fasteners, made for the challenge. Our engineering excellence, driving global progress, securing technology in the extreme and outer reaches, and always advancing. Leading technology hardware, defining the future. West Special Fasteners have the strength of people who see beyond today and who are building for tomorrow. West Special Fasteners, because failure is not an option. West Special Fasteners, where precision meets reliability, integrity, and performance.